Welcome back to Hot Car Track, and this haul comes all the way from Edinburgh, Scotland. This is the FRACTAL Panda. We have some stocks and we have a custom for Road Warriors. Let's get stuck straight into the stocks. First up is this Matchbox, the 1963 Austin Healey Roadster. This will enter into Hot Rods, I would say, Season 3, coming up in early January 2021. Next up is one of the night burners. This is the Jaguar XE SV Project 8. That's a tongue twister. Nice looking car, this one. Got some nice weight. I do like the plain grey. Next up is one of the Hot Wheels art cars. This is the Roger Dodger. Nice decals, nice big engine block sticking up the front. We have seen a few variations of the Roger Dodger race on the track before, and they do go very well indeed. Next up is a custom, I would say would be going into Season 4. Hey, when you do send your cars in, look at what FRACTAL Panda have done. They've got a stack of information here, and it really helps me for these videos, and also when I need to find more information when we do head into the races. Straight up, it has a nice amount of weight to it. This is weighing in at 87 grams, and the manufacturer, it's a Hot Wheels, and the make and model is a Porsche Panamera. The name of the car is Kung Fu Panda for FRACTAL Panda, and the wheels look like they're spinning forever. So we do know that FRACTAL Panda make an excellent racing machine. They won Road Warriors Season 2. Can they win it with this one in Season 4? Thank you again, FRACTAL Panda, for sending in the stocks and also this particular car for Road Warriors. So until next time, catch you guys later.